This is Simil, the Wizard Guy. Welcome to this episode of word creation or document creation using a word processor. So we are going to look at how to create and save documents using a word processing software. So what is a word processing software? A word processing software is a popular word processing program used mainly for creating documents such as letters, brochures, learning materials, tests, quizzes, reports, circulars, and so on. So, before you create a document using a word processor, make sure you must have installed a word processing software into your computer. That's when you can be able to create a word document. So in this case, we are going to learn how to create using Microsoft Office Word 2016, of which it is installed in the system. Okay, so first of all, you need to create a folder where you'll be saving your work, where you'll be having your file being organized from. So here I have a folder of which I've created. We created in the last video. If you skip that video, I request you go back and watch how to create folders in the last video. Thank you very much. So let's start. We said when you're creating a document, you go to start. Let's start. Then you come down here, you type word. You type word. So after typing, it will come here, up here. Then you click on it. When you click on it, it opens. When it opens with what you call templates, of which you have to create a document from. So if you don't want to start creating a document from scratch, you can use any of these documents. This one's here, you can see what the processor comes with, probably good templates of which you can create a document from. But in this case, we're going to go with a blank document. Click on blank document and then it will open. As you can see, we have this view, the layout of our document. We have important features like the title bar, which is saying document 1, dashboard. Then you have the control section, which has close, restore, and minimize. Then you have this nice view, this white background. This is where you have to type the work. For example, I'm typing some work here. So I'm typing introduction to Microsoft MS Word document, Microsoft MS Word document. So this is where you type your work. So it's a typing area. Then you have nice menus, file, home, insert, design, and so on. So these are all good options that you have to use when you're editing your document. So in this case, we're only going to focus on saving, whereby saving we get it on file. So you click file, then you come here, we have save option, we have save and save as option. So you click on save option. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how to use the save as option. But let's click save today for now. So you click save. So when you click save, it will give us these options. We have save as option, where we're supposed to save the file. So you can see we can save it in OneDrive or on this computer. So when you click on this computer, this site gives you two options. Either you want to save your file in My Document or on the desktop. So we shall choose desktop. So when you click desktop, we can locate our folder. Because we created a folder on the desktop, we locate the folder called that one. Okay, so you click on the folder that has your name, then you come and say open. So when you open, you come here and type the file name. The file name is very important to any document creation. So you clearly type file name as what? File name is. So you click here and then you delete what is there. Then you type the file name. My file name is letter. Then you click save. So we have cancel and save. So you click on save. So when you click on save, the title bar will change to that file name, which is letter-word. The letter is the file name and -word is the application name or the software you are using, which is the Microsoft Office Word software or application. So then you just come here and then you close. So when you close, come and check in your folder whether that file is there. You can see the file is there. So make sure you create a folder first, and then you go to start, and then you type Word. After typing Word, then you click the option for save. Then you locate where to save the file. This is how you create and save our document. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.